Look at this Porsche. Look at that. The doors open, both sides. That's the inside. Look at that. Watch this. When I turn the watch, it has LED lights. Boom. You can drive it. And then you go backwards. So that's pretty cool. Watch, I can drive it this way. Ready? And you can turn the lights off as well. Keep, brake, back. The doors open a little bit, so that's what it looks like. So it's pretty cool. This is what I'm using. There's this. And then there's this. If you want. And it's like a race. You can also do a race. That makes it kind of cool too. Go. And this is what it looks like in the dark. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. That's what the back of headlights looks like. So it's pretty cool. Of course. Turn that back on. That's how cool that looks. And good. And also, this app right here I'm using, you can also switch it. See, look at that. That's what it is doing right there. So that's pretty cool. I'll tell you how you switch it. So go here and switch, and then you can control the other side. So now I'm gonna show you the wrist. See, look. See, look. That moves it. Now I'm gonna switch it. No. You hear that? Listen to it again, ready? Oh, that's my phone, there's a kitty. And subscribe if you're new to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like that control card. So yeah, it's pretty cool.